In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn on two-step verification on your Facebook account. Let's not waste any time. Let's get into the tutorial. So here, we tap on this button here and then we move to our account here. So we move to settings. Let's choose that here. So on here, we search account here. So now let me type account here. So we are going to move to the account manager to do that. So now let me search account here. Good. So account center. So I tap on the account center to wait for it to load. Let me come back here and now let me move to my security and password here. So good. So you can see two-factor authentication here. So I tap on that too as well. And I choose the account I want to set up the authentication on. And good. I can use SMS or WhatsApp. I can use an authentication app. I can use security keys if you have a PC and you want to use a USB. So now let me select this. I'm not going to do that for the account, but then you use this phone number, you select it, you move to next to confirm the phone number is yours and you're good to go. They'll be sending it to you on your WhatsApp or your SMS if you want. Authentication app, you are going to download a third-party app, which is mostly by, they use Duo Mobile or Google Authenticator to, log in. Anytime you want to log in, they authenticate it for you before you log in. Security keys is quite different. It's more complex. So that's it on how you can turn on two-step verification on your Facebook account. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.